Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket, except today I'm not cooking, I'm making soap. The soap with the lye in it. So last year I did a couple of videos of me making soap, and I love soap making videos, and I have my favorites. So it's that time of year again for me to start back making soaps for the holidays, and my candles and my wax melts and stuff, but I just did a video on that. So I'll try to make this real quick. I'm still kind of new at all of this, so this is not a tutorial. This is just me bringing you along just to show in case you do like soap making videos and for me to look back on. So the fragrance that I'm going to be making is one of my favorites. It's orange sherbet, and I'm probably not saying that correct, but it's a light scent. But the orange and vanilla, like, do you remember like the push-ups and stuff that I used to get as a kid? They still make them. But it's so good, and it smells just like it. So I'm going to, I have on my gloves, I have on closed-toed shoes, have on long sleeve shirt, and I have my goggles on. And I have an apron on that as well. So anyway, I'm going to get started. Put my stick blender in here and carefully pour my lye that I mixed earlier. And so everything's at room temperature. And please be careful when working with lye. There's a lot of videos on that and the safety issues with it. Please make sure you do not have any small kids or kids around, any pets around, or anything. I mix my lye up on my screened-in porch and keep it out there. That way there's no pets around or anything. It's going to be hard for me to do left-handed, so let me switch. Just mixing it until the lye and the oils are emulsified. We're almost there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mix my colors together before I add the fragrance, because on the reviews there wasn't that many reviews I could find if it moves fast or anything. So I'm just going to do that. Now I'm just doing two simple colors, just a very simple design. And I'm just going to use some orange and some white. And my white's with titanium dioxide. And I bought all of my supplies, my the colorants from Nurture Soap Supply. I'm not going to use a lot of orange. I mean a lot of white. So I'm going to pour some off first for the white. Just kind of for an accent color. And then I'm going to pour the rest in here so it's easier to mix. I'm going to mix my white first. Let me get you centered here. I'm going to mix my white first. And I'm not going to put any fragrance in the white part, in case it does. It says it didn't have vanillin in it, but it does have a little bit of vanilla. So just in case it does turn a little bit dark. And now for the orange. Okay, we'll see how that looks. And if it's too orangey, I can always add just a little bit of white in there. That's pretty. I'm going to leave it just like that. And I'm going to stick blend that part of it too. Ooh, it smells so good. Just give it a good stir. Seems to be behaving well. Okay, this little mold, this little dinky mold right here, my husband made for me years ago when I was doing melt and pour soap. And so I decided to use it last year, and it did so cute. I don't make huge bars, but it makes them about this size. And they're so cute. Perfect to fit in the hand. So I'm just going to lay some orange in. It's starting to thicken up some. Pour it all in, but a little bit to save some for the top. And then with the white. Now I am going to swirl this just a little bit. And since there's a lot of the white that's on the top, I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of this white on there. And then swirl it with some orange. I love soap making. It is I find it relaxing. It's a lot of fun. But you do have to be careful with safety and all. And I'm still learning how much to save for the top and everything. So now I do want to put a little glitter on top. Some iridescent glitter. Now, I don't know if I'm going to just upload this like this and do the cutting videos separate. I don't know yet. So, you may see me here in just a second cut this after it is set for a day or two. Or I may end it right here and do the cutting videos separate. Okay, I'm back for the cutting, and I did remove it from the wooden mold. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, here it is. Here's the loaf of it. And it smells delicious. Ain't it so cute, this little loaf of soap? Y'all know I like miniature things anyway. So, I did get me a little soap cutter. It's actually a cheese cutter. Got it at Aldi when they got theirs in. So, it'll be a whole lot easier to cut the soaps instead of using a knife. Now, I'm going to cut a little end piece off. Ain't that pretty? There's another bar. But anyway, they'll look pretty much the same. So when I get them all cut up, I'll bring you back. And there is my orange sherbet soap. I get 5 nice pieces out of it with 2 end pieces that I always use to test and everything. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.